Hi there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? It's been a while since I've been here, and I've had my FabFitFun box for a while, and I'm just I made myself find some time to do the unboxing. So this is the actual box that it came in, and what happened is that I had some add-ons, as they call them, and the subscription is, I believe it's like $49 a quarter. But if you sign up for a whole year, and I'll put a link down below, you save a little bit of money, but the best thing about it is you get to customize your box. They'll give you a choice of a few different things or categories. Like there's 3 things in this category, and you would choose one. And then there'd be another category, and you would choose one. And I believe there could be 4, but I know for sure there's 3. And another thing that you can do is they have this sale, and you can order stuff. They're called add-ons. The list is never ending, and you pick what you want. There's no extra shipping. They just put it in your box. So let's do that first. Let's find my add-ons. Sometimes I don't even remember what my add-on is. Alright, so no clue. I can't remember what is in here. So let's open it up. Oh, the straws, the traveling straws. Yes. You can't find plastic straws anymore. And to tell you the truth, I can't stand the paper ones. They're useless. So these are traveling straws, and they come 2 in a pack. And let me get them out. They're called Simply Straws. Or as we say in Rhode Island, straws. Okay, so they're glass. There's 2 sizes. And there's a brush so that you can keep them clean. This is really, really good. So, your traveling straws. So this is a dry shave gel. For some reason my shower is dark and I have a hard time shaving my legs. So I like to come out where the light is and do that. So I thought this looked interesting. Shave anytime, anywhere without using water. So you just put this on and shave and you're set. So you rub in the last part. Alright, so you apply, shave, and rub in. So I think it's like a moisturizer as well. Very, very good. Instant Smooth Dry Shave Gel by Busy Beauty. Now, I know I got some conditioners and shampoos. And these were really reasonable. I think they were like $11 for the 2 of them. Neon & Co. Good Hair Shampoo. The only thing I do worry about is the scent. So let's take a smell. Oh, it's like lemony, citrusy. It's good. It's very good. Alright, so that was an add-on. I believe I got 2 add-ons. 2 shampoo add-ons. Oh, what is this? Oh, I got a little crossover bag. Now, remember I said you have, there are categories and you choose from? You could also get one, say there were 3 things, I choose one, but gee, I like that one too. You can add that on as an add-on, and they're very, very, very reasonably priced. So I am going to New York City this weekend. I am going to go and see the Rockettes. I just had a brainstorm. One of my crowns on my front teeth came off, and I'm wondering, can you see that? I'm going to the dentist on Tuesday, and I actually forgot about that disability until just now. But you know what? It's okay. Alright, so this is, it can be a crossover bag. It could also be like a bag for inside your purse, like a makeup bag or something. And I just really like this. It'll fit my phone in there, my credit cards, for New York City when I go. So that is very, very good. And it's by a company called Vooray. Alright, here's the other add-on, the shampoo and conditioner, moisture heating, Nelson J, Beverly Hills. This is the conditioner. Oh, it's coconut. It's a nice coconut. I'm not really crazy about coconut, but it smells really, really good. This is the main box. They always have the cutest boxes. I have a really hard time throwing these boxes away. As a matter of fact, I think I have 3 in my closet, but I condense things. Okay, so I know that there are a couple of things in here that I am going to use as gifts for Christmas. And I gotta get a knife. Okay, so it's all opened. And it's like this big treasure box. I love FabFitFun. It's like getting yourself a gift 4 times a year. You get this thing all for you. Some things you know what it's going to be, some things you don't. Okay, so FabFitFun, I can post this and post my video, and I can try to win a little vacation to the Palm Beaches in Florida. Oh my word. And this is a cute little magazine. It has Maria Shriver on the cover, and it just tells you about different things in the box and probably about Maria. Another thing that is in here, sort of a sample, it is the purple mattress. I know these are really expensive. It's a discount code for $100 off. I wish they had these in hotels so you could go in and try them, see if you like them or not. Purple. And then HelloFresh. I used to get HelloFresh and I did like it. And there's a code on here. I'll have to ask my husband. He does all of the cooking actually. So we'll see if he wants to go with this again. And you can cancel anytime you want. And they give you a choice of the different meals that you can choose from. This is the main box. Alright, so the first thing I have in here is, it's a blanket. And I am not going to open it up, but it is really, really, really soft. It almost feels like a fur coat. Oh my word. This is a gift. And it opens up really, it's a good size. I know it is. I've watched other videos where the ladies have opened them up. And I'm trying to find the dimensions, but I can't. But believe me, it's lovely. Another thing in here is called a color switch. And I already have one of these, and this is going to get gifted to my daughter. Don't tell her. I'll put it in her stocking because I already have one. And what it is, so mine has a cover. This one has a cover. It's purple. And what it is this spongy, not spongy, well, spongy plastic thing in here. So when you use your makeup brushes and you want to clean them in between applications, you just scrub them in here. Now, you can also use this if you're a painter to clean your brushes. I would put this in the bottom of a jar and just with water in it, and just use it when I'm painting to like scrub my brush clean. And then when I'm all done painting, I'll go and give them a good bath. Okay, you know, I am going to Catherine's house this weekend. I'll look around and see if she has one of these or not. If she doesn't, I will give this to her as a gift if she has one. I'm going to use it as a brush cleaner for my painting brushes. Now, the magazine does tell you how much each thing sells for, so I will put that price down below. The next thing I have is a Kukuyo? I don't know. Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash, Calm and Clean. So, oh, it smells really, it smells like, I love the smell of Aveda, the original Aveda scents, and this is what this smells like, the original Aveda. Lavender oil. So inhale, exhale, and I do find scents really calming. So this one is a Prep and Prime Detangler. So let's open it up and give it a smell. Why is it so hard to open things? I give up. I really do. Oh, I got it open. All right. Oh, it smells nice. It's not a real heavy scent. It's lovely. All right, I have no clue what's in this little box. Lashes. Oh, they're kind of big. I am over 65, and for some reason, I am losing my lashes on the ends. And I've tried a few times to put on the fake eyelashes, and I just need a lesson. I don't know. I need a hands-on. And I watch the videos, but it just doesn't work for me. So we have false eyelashes. And I don't think I got to choose this. I don't know. I don't know offhand if I did or not. Oh. Proof's in the pudding. Proof is in the pudding. So this is something that I believe I did not choose. Everyone got this. And it's an eyeshadow palette. And the colors are magnificent. All natural, neutral colors. Oh yeah, that's going to be fun. And this is by, it says Beauty Bakeries. It says Beauty Bakery. Okay. Alright, so I have two things left. And this is something that everyone got. And it's a makeup eraser. And I know you have to wash it first. It says, what does it say? See how to use it. Oh, see how it works. I'll have to scan something. So what I'll do is I'll go on the internet and go to their website and see what the scoop is. So, look how big it is. Bye-bye makeup wipes forever. So, oh, it's so soft. What I'm going to do is I'm going to test this. And I know I will not get this video up today. So, I'll have the opportunity to wash it, follow directions, and maybe at the end tell you what I think about it. So here is my review of this makeup remover. Now the last thing I got, and I actually got these for myself so I can leave them at work. And they're slippers. I don't have slippers. I tend to wear flip-flops around the house. I have indoor flip-flops. They do not go outside. They are in the house. So look at this. Oh, these are going to be nice for work. They're knitted with like a cable stitch, and the inside has fur, and they're nice and squishy, so they're comfortable. You know how sometimes you go to work and you have your boots on. I do have a pair of shoes under my desk, but they don't always coordinate with what I have. But you know what? Slippers go with everything. So, very, very nice. I'll be bringing these to the office tomorrow. that is everything. Well, thank you for joining me. I'm going to put a review on that makeup remover, and I think that's a good to go. So, also below is a code for you to subscribe to FabFitFun. I get one box, just get one season, see if you like it, and then if you do the whole year, because you do get those benefits. All right, well, thank you for spending time with me. I am off now to teach an art class. I'm going to do a snowman. It's snowman time. And bye-bye. Thank you.